Okay, now in order to size this belt properly, you want to wrap it around your waist, like so. And then you want to take this end right here, the one that you're going to keep, and you're going to put it roughly in the middle of your body right here. Then you will bring this strap around, and you can see that they come together about right here. Here's the strap that we're going to keep. Here's the rest of the belt. And then I'm going to go 15 centimeters in this direction. So I'm going to add 15 centimeters to the belt from this point. And for others that might not know centimeters, that's roughly 7 inches. So I'm going to take that belt, tighten it as much as I can or how I would wear it, and then I would add 7 inches. And then I'll take that length that the belt should be, and you'll see these lines right here that you can cut along in order to shorten the belt. Now the key here is to avoid cutting down too much and to avoid cutting from the right side. So to make sure you're cutting from the right side, again, this is the side you want to keep, the one with this stuff, and this is the side we're going to cut, the one with the lines. And so for me to cut this, I'm just going to go butcher on it and use a meat cleaver. So let's have at this here and see how well this works. I'm going to cut for that line right there. Let's go. Let's see how well this works. See if I can actually do this with this cleaver. Because it does say to use scissors, but I don't have any right now. So I'm just going to cleaver. Oh, there we go. And it comes off. Okay, easy enough. Now we're going to take that end that we just cut right there, and we're going to insert it into this part right here on this belt loop. So you'll see that this is the part that has a little switch right here that pops up, and it has those little pointy parts right there. So we're just going to go into this piece right here. So we'll just slide it in like that and go as far as you can, and it will stop on its own. And then you're going to press these little teeth down into it by folding this shut. There we go. Now it's solid on the belt like that.